Hi everyone, Matt here from Divi Framework, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Webmaster Tools. That is how to link your website with Webmaster Tools and Yoast 7.0. Alright, let's jump on into the screencast. So here I have this website duplex building design, and they need to be set up in Google Webmaster. So I've logged into the Google Webmasters tool. To get there, go to google.com/webmasters and log in with your Google account. And then I click this red button up here, add a property. And I'm going to make it super easy here and just copy the URL of the site, paste it in and click add. Now there's a couple of different ways you can verify that you own an item. The recommended method here is to be using a synchronous tracking code, and it should be in the head, and this is using Google Analytics. I have Google Analytics already set up for this site, but there are some other ways that you can do it. So if I click on alternate methods, if you don't happen to have Google Analytics, which you should do, you can use Google Tag Manager, a HTML tag, or a file upload. So I'm going to use the HTML tag here because we're looking at Yoast 7.0. And I basically just copy this little snippet of code and then go into the back end of the site. We go to SEO and click General. Now over here there's a tab called Webmaster Tools. I click on that and we've got the Google verification code. I paste it in and click Save Changes. Right then at that point, that meta information has been added. But there's one more thing I need to do. I need to click on Clear Cache. If you have a caching server or you're using like a SiteGround server or something like that, you may have a cache involved. Now I've got that done, and what I now click is Verify. What this is doing is looking for that HTML tag, and you can see, congratulations, I've verified the ownership of the site. That's fantastic. There is some other things that we should do, however, and that is we want to make sure that we connect up the Google index over to our website, right? We can actually link that in. To do that, we need to click on Search Console in the back end under SEO items, and we click on Settings, and then I click this button that says Get Google Authorization Code. Click on that, select my user, click Allow, and this code comes up that you want to grab. You copy that and paste it into your authenticator, click Authenticate, and now what's happened is your site has been joined to your Webmaster Tools. That's a thumbs up again. All right, so now I've got my Google Webmaster Tools connected to Yoast SEO, and I've got the Search Console set up inside Google Webmaster Tools. If you're wanting to do Bing and Yandex, they're a very similar process. So you just follow those instructions given to you by Yoast. I find the most important one is the Google Webmaster Tools, because normally 80 to 90% of my clients' traffic comes out of Google organic search, particularly when we're doing SEO. I hope that you've been able to use that tutorial there to connect up your website with Google Webmaster Tools. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you really like what we're doing here at Divi Framework, subscribe to the channel, visit the website at www.diviframework.com, and I'll see you in the next video.